So let's check out some simple yet effective productivity hacks that will help you to stay focused and manage whatever distractions come your way. Now, the truth is that many people operate completely fine without ever enacting any of the suggestions within this section here. However, as you begin to pull apart and identify how you're spending your time as an entrepreneur, you'd probably agree that a fair amount of time is spent with time wasters. In fact, probably more than what is necessary. By incorporating the following techniques within your daily routine, you're going to be able to begin to develop a more selective attention, to minimize unwarranted, unneeded stress, to reduce your time spent with those time wasters, and to avoid other people's agendas and stay focused on your own agenda. In particular, this productivity hack section will continue to grow as Ken and I add more strategies over time. If there is a particular strategy that has worked extremely well for you, please let us know about it. You can easily post it to the discussion board, and then we'll share it with the entire class.